Hello everyone, myself Meenal Shelar. I am here to solve a question on projection of planes. So without wasting any time, let's take a look on the question. So the question says, draw the projection of a regular hexagon of 25 side having one of its side in HP and inclined at 60 degree to VP on its surface, making an angle of 30 degree with HP. So first of all, we need to draw a regular hexagon of 25 side, and the question also states that one of its side is in HP and inclined at 60 degree to VP. It means the true shape will be specified below the XY plane. So whenever a question states that a particular shape has its side in HP, or maybe it has to be made with an inclination with HP, it means the true shape of that particular shape will lie below the XY plane. So here there are two possible ways in which a hexagon can be drawn. First, let's draw both of these roughly and understand. So here in first type of hexagon, we can see that the left side of the hexagon is a side that defines itself to be in HP, as a question states that one of its side lies in HP. Therefore, we consider drawing this type of hexagon. Whereas seeing in the second type of hexagon here, we see that the left side of the hexagon is a corner, its corner in HP. So as a question states that the side lies in HP, that is the hexagon is having one of its side in HP, therefore we prefer going with the first one. So firstly, we have cleared with the two things over here. First one, that the true shape of the hexagon will be below the XY plane, as the one of its side is given in HP, and the second thing over here, which is based on the shape of the hexagon. Let's start with the construction of hexagon. So here we will be constructing a hexagon with the help of a circular method, where we will be considering a radius of 25 mm, and we will be drawing a circle. Now drawing two straight lines exactly passing to the center. Now taking the length similar to the radius, that is 25 mm, cutting the arcs from the points. Now cutting the arcs from the below. Now joining the points. And here we complete with the construction of a hexagon. Now we will be naming the points. Now projecting the points till it touches the XY plane. Naming the points again as 2 dash, 3 dash, 6 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash. angle of 30 degree with HP, it means that we have to consider the point 1 dash comma 2 dash and make an angle of 30 degree with HP over here. Projecting the points, that is 3 dash comma 6 dash and 4 dash comma 5 dash with the help of a compass. Now drawing a projection line passing from these points in the downward direction, and then similarly drawing a projection line passing to the points from the true shape. So here we have made a projection line passing through the points above the xy plane and similarly from the true shape below the xy plane. First we need to obtain top view of a regular hexagon. Also states that the regular hexagon is inclined at 60 degree to VP. Now taking a point on XY and making an inclination of 60 degree. The question also states that one of its side lies in HP. Then taking the length of 1 1 and 2 1 as made in the top view. Now taking the length 1 1 and 2 1 on the line which is making 60 degree inclination with VP. Taking the length 1 1 to 6 1 and 2 1 to 3 1 and cutting the arc first over 1 1 and the second over 2 1. Now taking the length 2 1 to 6 1 and similarly 1 1 to 3 1 and cutting the arcs from 2 1 and similarly from 1 1. Now lastly repeating the same procedure for the point 4 1 and 5 1. So here we complete with the inclination of hexagon with the lengths similar to top view. Now drawing a projection line passing through these points from this inclined hexagon in the upward direction, that is above xy plane. And then similarly making a projection line out of these points once again. Now finally obtaining the cross section points over here. Here we find the projectors, that is 1 1 dash, 2 1 dash, 3 1 dash, 4 1 dash, 5 1 dash and 6 1 dash. By joining the points, and finally we obtain the front view. So here we complete our problem by drawing the top view of the regular hexagon below xy plane and drawing its front view above the xy plane. I hope you all have understood. Thank you.